Hi, this is Bill with KempWindows.com, and I'm here with Mrs. Burno. She just had some windows installed today by us, and could you just tell us about your experience?
Sure, yes. First of all, I love my new windows. It feels great in here. It looks great in here. The lighting is beautiful, and the workers, the guys that came by today, did a great job. Very professional. Professional job from start to finish. Just no issues, and just a really good experience. And I'm really pleased, and I recommend Kemp Company to anybody looking for window installment.
Okay, and did you enjoy the no hassle experience?
I did, absolutely. Just very straightforward, very clear with the pricing. I didn't opt for um, uh, payment plan, but that's an option, and it was comparable to what I did use, and just to really clear on the pricing and clear on the process, and yeah, I just really enjoyed the experience.
Thank you.